Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today, I will discuss you about free surface effect. Free surface effect is an important concept in vessel stability. It happens when there is liquid inside a tank or compartment that is not completely full, because the liquid can move freely. It affects how stable the ship is, especially when the ship rolls or tilts. When a ship tilts to one side, the liquid inside a particularly filled tank also moves to that side. This movement of liquid shifts the ship's center of gravity slightly in the direction of the tilt. As the result, the ship becomes less stable and may continue to tilt even more. In a simple terms, instead of helping the ship return to its upright position, the moving liquid makes it harder for the ship balance.
Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. I am Aris Lagare. I will report about free surface effect. Effect on stability. The main effect of free surface is the reduction of the ship's metacentric height or GM. GM is important because it determines how stable the ship is. When GM decreases, the ship becomes less stable and more likely to roll or even capsize in extreme cases. This is why ships with many partially filled tanks are more dangerous compared to ships with tanks that are either completely full or empty. Examples: fuel tanks that are half full, tanks with moving water, cargo tanks in tankers carrying liquid cargo. In all these cases, the liquid inside can move and create a free surface effect. Prevention and control. To reduce free surface effect, the following can be done. Keep tanks either full or empty when possible. Use smaller tanks instead of large ones. Install baffles inside tanks to limit liquid movements. This method help reduce the movement of liquid and improve the ship's stability. Conclusion: free surface effect is a serious factor in vessel stability, even though it may seem simple. It can greatly affect the safety of ship. Understanding and controlling this effect is important to prevent accident and ensure safe operation at sea. That's all. Thank you.